Okay, another multiplication strategy, ratio table. I know a lot of you guys really like this one. So 13 times 25 using the ratio table, I need to choose one of these factors to put into my ratios table to start with. So I'm going to start with, it doesn't matter which one, whichever one you're comfortable with. I want 13. So one group of 13 is 13. And we got to figure out how many are in a 25 groups of 13. Okay, I'm going to jump to a friendly number. I like the number 10. So 1 times 10 is 10. And then 13 times 10 is 130. Now I see something really kind here. I see a 10 that I can double. So if I double it, I have 20. Look, I'm getting close to my 25. And then 130 doubled is 260. Now look, I only need 5 more to go, 20 to 25. So I can put my 5 here. Oh, looky there. It's half of 10. So half of 10 is 5, and half 130 is 65. Okay, I have everything I need to find out what are 25 groups of 13. So 20 plus 5 is 25. So I have to add 260 plus 65, which gives me 325. That's my answer.